Morning, everyone. So I'm Comfort. I don't know if anyone has seen my YouTube channel. Right, thank you. So basically, vlogging is video blogging, and that's just recording your daily life, your activities, what it is that you do on a weekly basis or monthly basis, whatever it is, however you decide to post. And over time, we've seen that it has actually evolved. It has become so many things. You have YouTubers now who make it into actual skits. So they put up a whole scenario and they say, this is what we did for the week, or this is what I did for the week. So with vlogging, it's also a great way actually to market yourself, market your personality, whatever it is that you have to offer the world, your products, your services, and also it's a great way to have fun, honestly, and just put yourself out there and show the world who you are and what you are about.
The reason why we specifically had the vlogging workshop is, number one, we've been getting a lot of people who wanted us to teach them how to vlog. So we decided to rather create it or make it into a workshop where everyone can come learn what vlogging is and where they need to get started with their work.